Guys, and welcome back. In this video I will make something. Here I will add some content to the rest of the columns. Okay, so here I can make I just think I got a problem here where the container. What about deleting this part here, the margin left and this margin? So this is great. Okay, so I need to add translate y here. For this image I will give it where is it? I will give it a class of image1, and here in the CSS image1 transform translate I think negative 400 pixels. No, yes, no, for the y and not for the x. No, what about 300? No, 200. 200 is okay. So here I got this part. The next thing I have here is to copy all of that. Copy all of that and paste it again. Oh my god. Do not save, sure. Do not save. Okay, copy all of that and paste it. Here I can make this to be MacBook Air 13-inch. Let's get an image for this MacBook Air 13-inch. When I click on images, okay, let's get a beautiful image. Okay, I want a wide one. 2020. Okay, I think this one is okay. Copy the image address and paste it for the first one here. Copy again, sorry. Okay, paste. Great. Let's see what we have here when I reload the page. Here I got this. Okay, and the second one, the second laptop. Here I need this to be Pro. MacBook Pro. This one is okay. And the last one to be the Mac 16-inch. Copy image address. Let's make it for the second one here. Okay, instead of the XS. Let's see what we have here. The second Mac, I will just make this into MacBook Pro 13-inch. I will copy the MacBook Pro 13-inch, paste it here, but this to be 16. Let's get an image. You know, I don't like this image, but it is okay. You can get any image you want. I think this one will be great. Copy image address. If this or this are not okay, I will keep it like that. I will keep it like it was. I will leave it. Okay, reload. Not bad. Okay, the last one is the 16-inch. This image is great, or this one is better. Copy image address. Let's paste it for this one. which was XR, I think, when I reload here. So here I got this image. Okay, here I want to add something different. What if I delete the button success? We got the same problem. Paste. Okay, I will delete the button success. Here I have no background color. I will delete the button success for all of them. I think this no, we got the same here. No, we don't have the same. Okay, and for all of that I will give a class of button show. I will copy this button and paste it for this here, here, and finally here. In the CSS I have this class. I do not think it will work, but we will try to be like this. So now this is great. I just need to make the color into white. I have the color here into white and border of none. I have no border now, and here padding left of 30 pixels. Let's see if it is okay. And padding right of 30 pixels, and padding top 15 pixels, padding bottom of 15 pixels. 15 pixels. Okay, so now this is great. I just need to make this into 10. I think it will be okay when it is 10, because in the top and the bottom it affects. This is great. Okay, I'm just thinking about what I can add more here. I can add hover for the card. Here for the card. Where's the card? This. Okay, in the CSS I can make hover, but first transition of owl 0.4 seconds, and I can copy this box shadow. Copy, paste. So here I have the box shadow. When I hover, I have this. I can just delete this 2 pixels to be 0. No. What about deleting the 5 pixels? I got a problem. We just got a small problem here. Yes, the 22, just 2. Okay, I can just here decrease the opacity of this to be 4. Okay, this to be -1. What about 0? And this to be 1. It is a long journey, I know. Okay, this to be 0. Mostly fine, I think. No, this to be 0. What about this to be 1 pixels? What about 2? So, okay. And this to be 1. But I think the black will be better. Okay, this is great like that. Now we are done with adding this page. In the next video I will add more pages. So, good luck and see you in the next video. Goodbye.